I'm Paul with custamicz. Today I'm going to be installing our new TruBEAM LED headlight for 2015 to 2018 Road Glide models. Our TruBEAM LED headlamp uses a combination of projection and reflective LED technology, which not only gives you greater forward visibility, but also improved visibility on the side of the road. We have both chrome and black chrome reflector options. It comes as a complete unit with high beam, low beam, and our standard lifetime LED warranty. The headlight also integrates the white halo ring with amber LED turn signals for eye-catching visibility. It's a good idea to protect the front fender before you get started removing the fairing. Get started removing the windshield by removing these 4 bolts and then the factory vent by pulling straight up. Then locate and unplug the left and right side 3-pin turn signal harnesses. Remove the 3/16 socket head Allen bolts from each turn signal housing. Then remove the speaker grills to remove the T27 Torx bolts in each corner of the speaker housing. Lastly, locate and remove the 2 T25 screws below each glove box on the inner fairing that fasten the wind deflectors, then remove the outer fairing to set it aside. With the front fairing removed, locate the 2 data plugs that are on the top front of the factory headlamp. Then press them away from their location. Locate the 4 5/16 socket head Allen bolts that secure the factory headlamp to the mounting plate. Remove these 4 bolts and unplug the headlamp. Remove the vent deflectors from both sides of the factory headlamp using a T20 Torx driver. Connect the amber white converters to the headlamp halo and turn signal wires as shown, and route the wire harness to the top of the fairing. Plug the TruBEAM Road Glide headlamp into the factory plug and attach to the factory mounting plate using the original 5/16 socket head Allen bolts. Route the wires from each turn signal to the OEM connectors and plug in using the pass-through harness that is attached to the TruBEAM Road Glide headlamp. Make sure the left turn signal is plugged into the OEM connector with a purple wire and the right turn signal is plugged into the OEM connector with a brown wire. Now plug the factory turn signal into the other side of the pass-through connector. Now we can get started getting the bike back together. Reinstall the outer fairing using the original hardware. Next, reinstall the speaker grills by lightly applying pressure. They should just snap into place. Do the same with the factory vent, then reinstall the windshield using the original hardware. Last step is to perform a BCM sync, allowing the hazards to run for 3 to 4 minutes. Then test operation of the TruBEAM Road Glide headlamp. To learn more about our popular Road Glide products or to order your TruBEAM LED headlamp, give us a call, check out our website, or visit your local Drag Specialties dealer.